How to get to Facebook Marketplace. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access Marketplace on Facebook. So first, let's start by opening up the Facebook app. Here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. And here in all shortcuts, you're going to find the Marketplace option. So if you don't find this option, you want to tap on See More, and it might be somewhere here. If you still do not find Marketplace option, make sure that Facebook is fully updated. You can do that by heading over to Play Store or App Store. If even after updating your app, you're still not able to find Marketplace, you want to scroll down a bit and tap on Help and Support. So over here, you want to tap on Report a Problem. And now you want to tap on Continue to report a problem. So here you can tap on Include in a report, and here you can find different categories. So you want to select Marketplace from here. And as you can see, the attachment is already there. You can upload from your phone as well. Now, in the top box, you want to describe your issue. So you need to explain to Facebook that Marketplace is not available in your app. So you want that available because you want to use it. So you can write here however you want. And after you have attached the screenshot, you simply want to tap on the Send button. So once you have reported this bug, Facebook will contact you in a couple of hours and they will fix this issue. So after this, you can simply open the Facebook app and find Marketplace. So you can tap on that option, and from here you can access Marketplace on Facebook. So this is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.